First, we are going to simulate a broken wire. To prepare the wire, we need to strip the insulation off of both ends. Now we are going to use a heat shrinkable but connector to fix the broken wire. Insert the wire into each end of the connector, making sure to overlap the exposed copper into this solder ring. Next, just heat the connector using a heat gun until the solder melts onto the wires. Give it a minute to cool off and that's it. You now have a reliable vibration-proof connection. Once the connector has cooled down, you will have a very strong yet slim connection. They are also dust and waterproof, perfect for harsh conditions.